First of all, I want to thank all of you for your kind, heartfelt comments. I don't think I fully realized the impact our YouTube channel has had on some of you. Over the years, many of you have thanked us for the entertainment, the educational tips, or even for sharing our mistakes. But hearing how deeply it has resonated with some of you means the world to us. Thank you, truly. Your words make this journey even more meaningful for us.
We're coming into the Chesapeake. This could be the last anchorage for sailing Aquarius. Bittersweet.
Very bittersweet. And just like that, we are taking Aquarius into the fallout. Okay, now I'm getting ready with the line.
Well, that was pretty easy getting in here. Big boat. Yeah, pretty big. There we go. You can see the mast coming. Should be two of them. Oh, they're both up. We got two masts up. They're gonna come around here and then put it right there. Right there.
As you can see, the weather really didn't spoil us, but at least we were able to haul out Aquarius before the storm. And this was actually a daily recurrence. Good, we have a very special day today.
What's that?
Your birthday!
Happy birthday to me.
When we arrived, we had a couple of occasions to celebrate. and once in a while we go to tour a nearby small charming towns. But most of the time we had to work on Aquarius, getting her ready for sail. And 109 degrees of the heat was not much of a help, but we had no choice. We had a lot to do, especially when we already have a buyer ready to come over and take possession of her. So we were cleaning up the salty water, but most of the time we were just emptying out Aquarius and making sure the new buyer will love her as much as we did. I didn't think we had so much stuff on Aquarius, but when we emptied out, there was a big pile that we offered for other sailors, and what was left we took to the local donation store.
So today is the day we need to clean everything up and get ourselves all packed up and get out of here.
This is the current state of Aquarius. Cabinets are empty, all the stuff is all over the place. Moving day.
And we have to clean up the engine room because we have to rid ourselves of every bit of salt water that's in this vehicle.
Oh, and the joy of that is that for the last 5 days we had a severe heat warning. So it was blistering hot.
This place is gonna be spick and span for the new owner of Aquarius. Starting to get a little lighter on the inside. Where's my wife? All this stuff has got to go. It's a very hot day this is Deltaville. And we're getting all of our luggage off and into our rent-a-car.
It looks so
Wow.
pretty.
It does.
Looks better than the blue one, right? The blue one. And there are some beddings and towels and duvets nicely packed. The other things are empty. So AC is going to remain here. This is our portable AC unit. That's the only one that allows us to keep living in this location on the hard. Severe weather heat warning.
While my wife is vacuuming and cleaning up, I gotta get all of this luggage off into our rental car. It's really difficult to film and take the luggage down all at the same time. We're almost done taking shit off. Sure looks beautiful. Silwy glasses up there. Dishwasher. Stove. There's our washing machine. But it's all so clean. Refrigerator. Beautiful. Just beautiful. So we got spares in those two drawers, and we got spares and tape, and all the stuff that you need to fix stuff is underneath here. Yep. Bathroom. Oh my God, look at this. Beautiful. Spares underneath here. Scuba stuff is all underneath there. And here you've got 4 inflatable life jackets, some extra blankets and stuff. And that chair gets a lot of use. Okay, all that stuff. There's all the electronics. Down here we've got more electronics, MMPT controllers, the pass-through. This is all the extra solar and everything. Haha. Back here, what do we got? This is the master bedroom. Looks nice. Bathroom. So this is it. The last. Kind of hard to leave her.
So this is a day.
This is the day we're leaving Aquarius.
She's right behind us, all covered up, cleaned up, lightened up.
Yeah, a lot of stuff off that boat. She is looking really nice.
Goodbye, Aquarius. Goodbye. Oh.
So this is probably the last time Javila will see Aquarius.
Unless I will find her in the Med or somewhere else on a marine traffic, and I will come over and see her again.
Yeah, but she's looking really, really nice. All decked out. All right, let's get out of here. It is so nice being in air conditioning.
Yeah, and look at all the pile of stuff. Luckily we have this kind of car. Yeah, and Aquarius, last glimpse. Next, we went to Annapolis. We planned to go there with Aquarius, but since the buyer showed up so quickly, we had to change our plans and leave her in Deltaville and travel by car. We visited Naval Academy.
Elements of rigging. Look at that.
And then we went to Washington, D.C.
And guess what's way up there? I think that's the Washington Memorial. And of course, right over there is the White House.
And after a short tour of this beautiful city, we are flying out, back home, leaving Aquarius and all his journey behind. It was such an awesome time. By the way, for all of those who missed one of our videos that we shared what's next for our future, there is a video with a link above that talks what we're planning to do next. If you like this video, give us a like down below and click here to subscribe. That really helps us. And if you want to watch more of us, click one of those.